This video has been sponsored by italki. Hello, 大家好, I'm Grace. Today we're going to tackle this Chinese pinyin, which can represent 5 different sounds. It sounds intimidating, but don't worry. After watching this video and practicing with me, you will know how to pronounce this letter correctly in different contexts. Before we get started, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, italki. If you have been trying to find a good teacher to help you improve your language skills, italki is an amazing platform where you can find the teacher that suits your needs. italki has both qualified teachers and community teachers from all over the world. Sometimes I got emails from some of you saying that you're trying to find a Taiwanese teacher to help you with your Chinese, but you don't know how to find one. On italki, you can do just that. So for example, if I want to find a Taiwanese teacher, I simply click the Teacher is from button and then click Taiwan, and you will see many teachers from Taiwan. Another good thing about italki is that it's very affordable. If you have a budget, you can click the price button and set the price that fits your budget. Also, you pay per lesson and you don't have to subscribe to anything, so there is no pressure. And also, you can have a trial lesson with the teachers first and see which teacher suits you the best. Now, a lot of you are working or have a busy school life, so you might not have much free time. But the good thing about finding an online teacher is that you can level up your language skills anytime and anywhere. It's very flexible. Check my link in the description box and sign up on italki for free now. italki offers coupons or awards from time to time. Level up your 2022 language learning from today. To know how exactly to pronounce the sounds for this letter, I will show you its IPA, which is its International Phonetic Alphabet, so you can distinguish and remember its sounds more easily. The first sound for this letter is It occurs when this letter shows up alone, like or only with the consonant that goes before it. For example, h or r. In this case, it's pronounced as To pronounce this sound, you should raise the back of your tongue high and towards the back, but not as high as when you pronounce the Chinese U sound. Also, when you're pronouncing your lips should be unrounded. Let's practice it with words. 额头 额头 恶毒 恶毒 唱歌 唱歌 盒子 盒子 The second sound for this letter is e. This letter is pronounced as e when it comes after an e or u sound. For example, 写 写 or 雪 雪. To pronounce the e sound, first partially open your mouth and move the front part of your tongue a bit forward. Also, your lips should be unrounded. Let's practice. 爷爷 爷爷 一月 一月 乐器 乐器 The next sound this letter represents is a. This one sounds pretty close to the previous pronunciation. When you see this combination, where I comes after E The letter E is pronounced as e. The only difference it has compared to the previous sound e is that you don't open your mouth as big. So to pronounce e, open your mouth a bit and then move the front part of your tongue a bit forward. E. Let's practice this with the I sound. A. Now let's practice some words. 黑色 北部 每天 The next sound is a very important one, which is When you see the following combinations, the letter E is pronounced as This sound is called shiwa. It's a lazy sound. To pronounce it, slightly open your mouth and relax it. Your tongue should remain in the middle and central position. Then you can make this sound. So this is pronounced as and this is pronounced as If you'd like to have more instructions on these two pronunciations, check out this video. Now let's practice them with some words. 本来分数声音能力Because this sound is very easy and effortless to make. A lot of function words have this sound, since they're usually the unstressed syllable in a sentence. For example, 的 了 这 Let's practice some sentences. 他的爸爸穿着蓝色的上衣。他的爸爸穿着蓝色的上衣。我的弟弟喝了我的果汁。我的弟弟喝了我的果汁。Let's move on to the final sound for today. When you see this combination, oftentimes its pronunciation is However, when it is used as a suffix, sometimes would be replaced by another vowel. To pronounce the sound, you have already learned how to pronounce the shiwa Now you just need to curl your tongue and let the tip of your tongue point to the place where the picture shows. But don't touch it. Let's practice. Here are some words with this sound. 儿子而且偶尔Know that in China, some people pronounce this character as R. So you might come across different pronunciations of this character. Okay, that's all for today. 如果今天的影片对你有帮助，别忘记按赞、订阅和分享哦。And if you want to improve your pronunciation, I have a playlist that has all of my pronunciation training videos. Remember to check it out. And also, if you'd like to learn some daily Mandarin expressions, check out my Instagram, Grace Mandarin. 那我们就下次见喽，拜拜。